Sawubona Mzansi. Do you love using the terminal and all of its wonderful tools, but you can't seem to remember all of the different tool combinations, and you're too lazy to use the built-in manual command and read through the entire documentation to figure out which command exactly you want to use? Well, I have the perfect tool for you. It's called TLDR. Yep, just like the TLDR you see when you're reading articles. For those that don't know what it stands for, it means too long, didn't read. So what does this tool do for you? All you have to do is type TLDR and the command that you want to find out more about and press enter, and there's an easy to read list showing you exactly how to use the tool and the most popular way of using this tool and the different combinations. Now let's see how we can install TLDR on our machines. So because I like using the Rust version of TLDR because it's so fast, I'll be showing you how to install it with Cargo. But if you want to use any other package manager out there, please feel free to Google how to install it, and the tool should work the exact same way. Now before we get started installing TLDR, the first thing that we have to do is check if Rust is installed. So in order to do that, you just type rust c --version, press enter, and you should get a version number back to you. That means you're ready to go ahead and install TLDR. But if you get command not found back to you, that means Rust is not installed. So what you can do is head over to the Rust website or just Google install Rust, and you should see the link available at the top. Click on that and it should take you to this website. What you can do is follow the instructions on how to install Rust. Once you've installed that and you are getting a version number back, we can go ahead and start installing TLDR. In order to install TLDR with Rust, all you have to do is type cargo install TLRC. So this is the Rust version of TLDR. Then you can press enter. But to demonstrate you what it will look like, I'm going to force this install. Then press enter. So yours should look something similar to this. It starts downloading it, it starts installing it, fetching the different dependencies and packages. Once it's completed, you should see finished at the bottom, and you're ready to use TLDR. Now let's jump in to see how exactly it works. Let's say, for example, you want to use the command ls. This command brings you the different files and folders inside the current directory that you're in. But let's say, for example, you want to find all the hidden files and folders inside this folder also. So I don't remember the command. What I would normally do is head over to Google or Gemini and ask Gemini, how do I do this? But now that's a thing of the past. All you have to do is type TLDR, then the command that you want to look up, ls, then press enter. If it's the first time installing, like it was for me, it'll start downloading the different information for you. And once it's done, it should list the commands for you. So we can scroll through here and see exactly what it is. So the ls command, it's taking it from the GNU website, and you can see there's a user-friendly and easy-to-read list of commands that I can do, and it tells me exactly what the command does in one line. So you can see if I wanted to list one file per line, all I have to do is say ls-1, but the command I'm looking for is list all files including the hidden files. So over here it lists it as ls-all. So let's try that out. Press enter, and you can see instead of listing just my few folders, it's now listing all of the hidden files and folders inside this directory. And that's how easy to use and how powerful TLDR is. Let me know in the comment section what you think about TLDR and if you're gonna add it to your everyday workflow. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this useful, and let's keep working hard, Mzansi.